Hello Formaloo community, Benus from our team is going to show you how to enable the portal mode and connect the user data to your forms and surveys. With this feature, your users can see their submitted data when they log into your portal. Let's dive in.
To get started, create a new app on your Formaloo dashboard. Click on New Formaloo and select Blank App. Now add pages and menus to customize your app according to your needs. Now it's time to activate the portal mode within your app. When portal mode is enabled, the user portal button appears. And here you have two options. Create a new table manually by adding user data or connect to your bases if you already have user data. Click on New Table and your user's table will automatically be created for you. When someone signs up to your portal, their information shows up in this table. Now create the form you want to share with your users. Customize it and don't forget to add the user field. Adding a user field to this form will allow you to link submitted data to their submitters. Assign users' data to the user table from the right side menu. Go back to the pages and add a result page to your app. This is where users will see their submitted data. Choose from different views like table, Kanban, gallery, or charts to enhance the user experience. Now, let's ensure each user sees only their own submitted data. Add the user field to the filters of the result table. This step is crucial for personalized user experiences. Finally, manage access for logged-in users. Control access for each pages in your portal. Now, after submitting a form and logging into your portal, users can see their submitted data on the result page. You have successfully enabled portal mode and connected user data to your forms. Now users can enjoy a personalized experience by accessing their submitted data through the portal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our Formaloo channel for more tutorials and updates. Until the next time, happy formalooing!